From my point of view, as much as I'm seeing a draw, but Pirates achisa and Funuti Pirates is not gonna do something that is actually like Pirates is a lukora and then batches of a part of Fuki was Billy. Hey, that's a boy. I don't know if Chiefs is going to like a treasure. Last time Basi my Venetia Chiefs by ended or something. So we don't know if this time Bazanga different mentality, but even a Masapwa or a Masapachisa Chiefs, they've got this ability as a chief that they've got the point they can prove about the wrong. I'm seeing people is there, people by Mnyata, but is a fighter that boy. Strikers like man the Chiefs, what I'm seeing. So we'll see.
Before anything else in Vietnam, I just want to take you to this movement here behind us.
Yeah.
As you can see, the movement and the atmosphere behind us. According to you, what does the Soweto Derby bring?
Soweto Derby is the biggest match in Africa and all over the world. In fact, this thing it brings people. Moment about for example, just like me, I did that match before. But when there's a derby, you will see Abafasi, you will see Matche, you will see communities passionate about this thing. It's such together. That's where you see what Bola Yapira in that so it's a derby. That's where you see what about my land the later border. So it's a derby. That's where you see love. That's where you see what right now we can see most of it. It's over. It's FNB. We are live. Everybody's here. Maybe if you can ask someone now, when was the last time just about maybe it's 5 years. But when there's a derby, yeah, Chiefs and Pirates in Africa, in the world, is the biggest. Whether to you, go not.
I mean, I'm better than most in it. Besides the football, I just see people coming together.
Yes.
You know, once you see for the session, once you take the sport, can bring people together.
Yeah.
Today, I think this is what as you can see here, see people coming from Edinburgh down to KZN. So we can say which about all provinces are here. They met here only because it's 90 minutes on our 30 minutes.
Yeah.
They're about together. Where we can see friendship being exchanged. You know, having to have a conversation with somebody that you don't know. How they think, how they behave, how they act, and also it says a lot about the love of this game. It says a lot about this game of this magnitude. Soweto Derby. As you can see, it brings nations, it brings everybody. As you can see, it's a sold out game, and if it's a sold out game, it means 90 tickets are sold out.
90,000.
So it tells you we have 90 people like officially who are here at stadium. On top of that, you have millions again of people who are watching this game at home. So it shows you this game, it's not just a derby, but it's just a game that brings people together.
For your prediction, for me it's 0-0. I don't know. But for me, it's either draw 1-1, 0-0. When for you now, it's a what?
I mean, I'm to hear niggas I thought it's 1 or 2-0.
Okay. I see, boy.
So,
stuck off.